Well, tonight all eyes are on Tropical Storm Faye. Warnings have been posted for several counties in South Jersey. Kate joins us now as she continues to watch the path of Faye. So what's this tropical system doing now?
Well, Yuki, it's doing just about what it was doing for the past several hours, just drifting slowly to the north at about 8 miles per hour. You can see the edge of the rain shield is just poised to move on shore over the Maryland beaches and eventually heading up into Delaware overnight. And by early tomorrow morning, South Jersey will get its first taste of Faye's rain. It's a relatively compact and relatively weak tropical storm, but there is a lot of heavy rain with it and a lot of moisture in the atmosphere as well for the storm to draw from as it moves through. It was a very warm and steamy day, so while it's quiet for now, it's not going to stay that way. Tropical storm warnings blanket the New Jersey coastline, Cape May County, Atlantic County, southern Burlington, and right up into Ocean County as well. These continue all the way up into coastal New England, and this is mainly for the winds. Tropical storm force winds will be felt for the next 36 hours down the shore. Peak winds sustained at 35 to 45 miles an hour out of the east, just battering the coast all day. Winds could gust over 50 miles an hour down the shore, and there will be the threat for flash flooding as well as potentially some coastal flooding and back bay flooding as the water piles up along the coast throughout the course of the day. Luckily, it's a relatively fast moving system, but we're going to see those winds. You can see by 5:30 a.m. an east wind battering the coastline here. Rain already making its way into South Jersey. If you're up early in Philadelphia, it will likely not be raining at 5:30 a.m. But by about 8 or 9, we start to see some of the outer bands of rain in the city and in the suburbs. Heavy downpours down the shore and through the Delaware beaches. By about noon, that's when the heavy downpours reach the city. But you can see the red shading here. And this is several hours, 5-6 hours of steady rain in South Jersey, leading to the risk for flooding there. As the afternoon goes on, we start to see this rain shield shift to the north, so it starts to dry out a bit by late afternoon down the shore, but we start to see the heavier rain push into the city and points north and west. By 5:15 tomorrow, the heaviest rain is north and west, and then by this time tomorrow night, most of this is out of here. You can see the center of that circulation starting to lift northward, and winds begin to come in out of the west versus out of the east, so that'll help push some of that water back offshore. So we're looking at the morning, heaviest rain down the shore, city and suburbs midday, north and west suburbs in the afternoon and early evening hours. That's when the steadiest rain from Faye will be. And as far as precipitation is concerned, across the area, we're looking at a general 1 to 3 inches of rain. It really depends which areas are under the heaviest downpours, but some spots could even see upwards of 3 inches. And you can see the winds just battering the coast all day long with gusts upwards of 40 or 50 miles per hour with this system, and a high risk of rip currents as well, 5 to 7 foot waves, and that may linger into the weekend. So heavy rains from Tropical Storm Faye throughout the day tomorrow, drifting from southeast to northwest during the course of the day. Saturday, a chance for scattered storms, definitely better, but those storms could be locally heavy. Sunday, 91, sunny and dry. And then we've got another chance for scattered storms early next week. Definitely an interesting forecast heading into the weekend. Yuki, back over to you.
For sure. Kate, thank you.